princess from Bakana. My father is the king of Bakana. That is in Ijaw tribe, the Kalabari line in Ijaw tribe, in Biafra land.
Please, madam, can we know the reason why you're here today?
I am here because my people are suffering. If you go to our sea now, we no longer fish, no fishing. Our young men and women no longer go to sea again. The sea is polluted. And the so-called Nigeria, what do they call them? I don't understand, whether zoo or animal. Don't even recognize the fact that we, the Ijaw people, we are really suffering. We drink from the water we stool. That water we bathe is where we take water and drink. But all the goodness, all the things that develop the so-called Nigeria come from that land. The British, when they came to Nigeria, when it was not yet Nigeria, they passed through the Bight of Biafra, which is from our land. The Bight of Biafra is directly at Boni, which is in Ijaw land. But as our ancestors don't allow them to penetrate, they did not defeat the Ijaw people. They went through Lagos and entered through Lokoja to come and deceive our forefathers. Now, I am here to speak to my people, the Ijaw clan. I will use my dialect, the Kalabari. Iyamenapo. And in the way of our Balafa, one and not green, all where one go about our what take be net in Gobor the worry. Oh, for it, what go get green name and the rest one and Bago, all boring go about our and the rest me Biafra me bote. Oh, by Balafa, Mapacabo. Oh, the gear, what don't you have radically? One and meet you by Bafante. When Alapuma civic coma in politics here. In politics here, when I want to warm up past right. When I want to warm up, henchmen, yes, some guide, quarter guide, yes, some in our Babas and politics here. And then school with the boy, go to a Baracona. He talk a school for Mamba, or Conayana. Before to a school, he bribe Brueni, ECB Finjiba, before it was University Soba. University Botocha went to Pacaboma, or Conayana, Alsanapo, now you're over Dapona, and then knock it take it. Ongi Pro maybe sote, Cona correct. One Yemen Yanabo, torture here. Yamnapo, minute torture, no Tosaka Pacabova. Opacabo Sacalato, and then the card over there. Or then they say, Opacabo, Biafra, oh no, because Biafra is on Nanani and I. It's on Abu Jenny, one age on Abu. Jenny, Brassi, Mayana, Satimemba, Omu Brady, and the Wayana, and the rest of our one of that big Napma in an activity. Nakana and in Kesoboye. When I was an up mocking, came one to see yes, I was an apple. And one I'm black would be Napma, and then one enemy. Sarowiva Babo Tuamo. Sarowiva or Babo Tua, Asanabo. Obi-Wan the Babo Tua, Asanabo. Ari Babo or Tua. Obasanjo, or delivery matter, Ari Bam. Obasanjo Toba, or Yoromanabo. Kuma, for Kidi, Birinamabo, Tebo, Omnebatebo, anymore. Omnever Japam, Omne Nanja Delta. And Apuma Naima Dukarbakuman. I'm strictly sure that Yorubanapona, Alsanapona, and in Nanjaku from Prate in a year, and the rest, and I didn't go about it in the Nanja Delta. Nanja Delta, era one always job. One hour Biafra, and Biafra never say it. Biafra bote, Opaka bote, Braswate, what ye me from so that one pulo make one bra, one teme labra, Yuzuba. What them both favor and everybody. What them Pakaba. So Pulo one in ye. In get crude door is your name. One a job, and then Pulo and I, and that's Pulo, what bring me before, and I walk rebellion. What bring India, what Arabia, Jim Metano Copacabana, Biafra, name Metano Copacabana, in Yanayeke, Iyama Ibima, and then Biafra, in Yanaye, and Okitaki Iyama Ibima. One a woman, he be school mover, one a woman, he be Kona Korba, one a woman, Baribu, politicians, he be Akba Dogi, and one night I get the dinner pretend, and then I put 10 Babel, and then stop back. Biafra go go and I go get because every person to go get netefie me yanaba. In school Uber free. If on yanaba. That is konama pakam. Opaka do program. No come. Secro. Ibre asari dogbo imiete. Asari dogbo imiete. Imiete. Want a toru finjim. The crack made to go back at a John, Margaret, pray one a job now. I must frame that one a man and a Biafra and a rest of Biafra view was secretary. What begins secretary? Can who go up a couple? The house and up my off you taking off in Pacama. Why not in Pacama? Because me balance was sitting in a door, Biafra sitting in a day. Iria way. Biafra bote.
All well-wishers all over the world, as you can see, our people from Ijo, Ogoni, or Kreka, they are here live to tell you their minds. Because the Nigerian government said we are not one, but they are here to tell you we are one. I want you to stay tuned. At the Central Beach TV, we'll give you live of the full details here in Biafran land. Referendum or no referendum, I want to make you understand that definitely Biafran has been existed. But our people will tell you here from the horse's mouth. Stay tuned, don't touch the dial. Good day, sir. Sir, may we know your name?
I still remain
Okay, sir. Sir, please, what do you have to tell our people today?
Yes, I have a lot. One, I thank Chukwuka Abiyama for making it possible. We have the prophet of our time in the name of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, who saved us from slavery. Because if not him, I think by this time, nobody will call Biafra again, and no Christian. All of us would have joined Muslim. All of us would have been Hausas and Yorubas. But because of the mercy Chukwuka Abiyama have to send our son Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. I'm sent time. I'm here today to tell the world that Nigeria has marginalized us enough, and Nigeria has expired. We are not one, right from origin. Our women are two rappers. We eat yam and all the rest of things. Hausa don't eat it, Yoruba don't eat it. They have different food, we have different food. We have different culture from them. Even the color, even the movement, we are not one. So nowhere, we and them, Nigeria will be one.
Sir, please, can we know your reason why you're here today, sir?
Yes, the reason why my presence here today is to tell the world that we want to go. Already God has destined, make it possible for we to go. Referendum we had the 30th May show the whole world that Biafra is in existence. We are going.
What prayer do you have for the Biafrans, sir? What prayer do you have for the Biafrans and Mazen Nnamdi Kanu?
The prayer I have for our director, God will give him long life, give him more wisdom, give him more understanding to pilot these affairs till we get the Biafra. And our people, I pray that you also have God will strengthen you to achieve this great nation, because we don't have any other nation than Biafra. May God bless us in the name of Chukwuka Abiyama, I pray.